Hey guys, happy holidays. So Ulefone announced two rugged phones that will be launching on January 9th, 2023. The Ulefone Power Armor 18 and the Power Armor 19. So these two rugged devices are the exact replica of the Ulefone Power Armor 18T in terms of design. And of course, most of the specs of both devices are analogous to that of the Ulefone Power Armor 18T. I talked about the Ulefone Power Armor 19 already. I'll put a link in the video description if you want to check it out. So what I'm going to do in this video is tell you the difference between the Power Armor 18T and the Power Armor 18. So without further ado, let's head into it. So, what is the difference between the Power Armor 18T and the Power Armor 18? Well, the Power Armor 18T features a thermal camera. The Power Armor 18 features an instant read thermometer. So that's basically the difference between both devices. So for those of you that are not aware of what an instant read thermometer is, it's basically a device that is used to quickly measure the internal temperature of food, liquids, or other substances. Instant read thermometers are also used in a variety of other applications, such as checking the temperature of a baby's bottle or bath water, or verifying the temperature of a solution in a laboratory. Instant read thermometers are designed to give a quick and accurate reading, usually within a few seconds. It's quite nice that Ulefone Power Armor 18 features this amazing technology. So I hope you guys understand what I'm talking about. The Power Armor 18T features a thermal camera, while the Power Armor 18 features an instant read thermometer. It's going to be launching on the 9th of January 2023 alongside the Ulefone Power Armor 19. Share your thoughts in the comment section below what you think about these two upcoming rugged phones. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.
Perfect.